YouTube? I'm Kyle the Voron Modder coming at you from inside my home office, and got the Voron in here and the mini one as well. Check this out. We all know about WhoppingPochards' awesome Clicky-Clack mod, also known as the fridge door WhoppingPochard, right? Yeah, that's a kind of a tongue twister. Anyway, my son came to me and said, why can't we make a miniature version? And that's exactly what we did. Okay, so here we go in all its glory, the mini fridge. Now, a couple issues I'm gonna cover right now. The first things first is the skirts do not clear said mini door. So Jose has been working hard at making the spacers that you print out to drop everything if you want to retain your stock paneling. Hart K has been kind enough to lend us his ear and guidance on some of the design changes and things that we're implementing. And, you know, we're really excited about it. I also have the WhoppingPochards seal of approval on this project. LDO and West 3D are going to carry this kit, specifically West 3D. And when this sucker launches, you guys on my channel will be the first to know. Now, Steph, OldGuyMeltsPlastic, is building a Pandora's box that's super tall with filament in the top. If you haven't seen that, head over to his channel right now and check that out. I put a link to his build series at the end of this video for you to check out, like, and subscribe if you're not already a member of his. Now, Steph and I collaborated on a lot of things, and that's what kind of led the idea to making this available for those bigger kits. So, first off, I know the West 3D offering for this line of product is going to be specifically for the V0.2. Everything works. So let's walk through this. Super cool, right? Now, this will be a solid one-piece panel that you get, as well as the sides. Now, I haven't had enough conversation with Dan yet to know if he wants to actually include these side panels as part of the kit. I think he should. If they want to sell it separately, that's their choice as well. I'm sure it's not going to be an arm and a leg for it, but let me know what you guys think in the comments below about that. This is going to be on GitHub shortly and released to the public so you guys can get your printing on. But I really wanted to wait until I heard back from the West 3D team when LDO is going to have these kits ready before everything goes. There's still more fitting to do and whatnot. If you're like me and just print PLA in this thing, then you don't really care about these panels being sealed. But if you do print better materials, then you're definitely going to want to have the foam on here. So user Kaza in our PhysiTech Discord has already worked on modifying the hinges to incorporate that extra 3mm panel thickness that's there, and we're going to be working on a whole slug of things for this to make this more badass than it already is. So please like and subscribe for future updates, and let me know what your thoughts are on Project Mini Fridge. We're really excited to be able to show this off, and honestly, I can't stop playing with this thing. It's ridiculous. I'm playing with the hinge more than I'm printing, guys. You guys got to help me.
Subscribe.